Hello viewers, you are welcome to Golden Stitches. Today I will be showing you how to clean your iron. Is that okay? Using paracetamol tablets. So you can get this paracetamol from any drugstore. Is that okay? So this is how it looks like. This is the paracetamol. Is that okay? So I'll be showing you how I'll use it to clean this now. Alright, so are you seeing that it's cleaning? Is that okay? So it's a little trick that I learned recently. So once you do this, just take your rag and clean it out this way. Are you seeing it? How neat it is? Alright. So I'm still going to continue until I get rid of all these burnt fabric on my iron. So actually it's easy and it gives your iron a very beautiful look once you are done. So I'm going to get another one. So I'm removing it. So okay, so use a drag and clean it out. So this lower parts. So another thing I forgot to mention is the fact that you will leave the iron on. Is that okay? You leave the iron on, then you clean it. You can see now it's almost done. I'm almost done with the cleaning. So when you are doing it, please make sure, because since the iron is hot, you don't burn yourself. Just careful so that you will not burn yourself, because there's a tendency of you burning yourself as the paracetamol melts. So this is the outcome. Can you see it? Compared to when we started. So I've cleaned the iron. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe, click the notification button so that once we post any video, you will be able to get notified that we posted the video. Thank you for watching.